Alright mga katrabs, good day! We're gonna go today in Lethbridge bus station. There we go. Dami, excited? So mga katrabs, tutur namin kayo kung anong meron dito sa loob ng bus station ng Lethbridge, Alberta mga katrabs. Ito niya tawag niya public transit mga katrabs ng Lethbridge. Alright, stay tuned, rock and roll! Mga katrabs, ito yung public bus station mga katrabs. Hey! Come on! Public transit mga katrabs ng Lethbridge. This way. Hey! Don't just say that one! We're gonna go this way. Yeah. Ito yung public transit mga katrabs. Oh, come here katid. So, yeah. See? Where the bus is gonna go from here to here. Right here. Let's go inside the station. Come on, let's go.
What? What's possible?
There is. See? Public. Yan o. See, mga katrop. So, ayan yung mga number kung saan ka pupunta. Yan. Yan. At kung ginaginaw na kayo kasi medyo malamig ngayon, pwede kayong pumasok din sa loob. Let's go inside. Kaban. See? Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung terminal ng Lethbridge ha. Oh. Ganda tong terminal ng Lethbridge eh. Yan. Go inside, see? Wow. So you can wait the bus here. Right here. See, while you're waiting here, the bus is over there. Then, mga katrops, pwede kayong bumili ng ticket din eh. Yan. See, over there. That's it. That's the Lethbridge transit, mga katrops, over here. We're gonna wait for the bus. Let's go check it out if we can see the bus here. Ayun, tingnan mo gano'ng kalinis yung bus station namin dito sa Lethbridge. Right? Right here, mga katrops. At pwede ka nang maghintay dito ng Red Arrow eh. Alam ko ito yung Red Arrow. Bibili ka ng ticket dyan. Alright. Here we go. No, we can't go there.
Oh, wait here.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for the bus coming. Okay. Ito pala yung ano. Oh, see? Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung magkano na yung pamasahe ngayon. Oh, $3 na pala. Tapos ito yung daily card, payday pass. Ito yung mga prices na mga troops. Yeah, see? 1 year pass, 280.
Oh yes.
Oh my god, 30 days unlimited, $28 mga troops. Yeah. Yeah. So here we go. Let's go check it out the bus.
Yeah, let's go wait for it.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for the other bus coming. Oh, like there's a bus. Yeah, no, I'm not taking you. It's a bus tour of Dime and Catholic. Here we go mga tops, yun mo to. Yan yung bus namin dito sa Lethbridge, Alberta mga tops. Yan. Oh, see? Ano ka systematic yan. See that one, the bus done, see? At yun yung palatandaan kung anong oras yung darating yung bus mga katrops. So, ayan. May time yan dyan. At yung oras, gano'n katagal darating yung bus. Ayan. Nakita mo rin yung kung saan papunta yung bus dyan eh. Ayan yun. Okay. At dito sa Lethbridge, Alberta mga katrops, hindi ka hintayin ng bus kasi may oras yan eh. O, tignan mo, alis yan. Ikaw yung maghihintay sa bus mga katrops, hindi yung bus yung maghihintay sa'yo. See? That's how it works, Dime. So let's go. Come on. So yan mga katrops, hanggang dito na siguro yung tingnan natin sa bus station sa Lethbridge, Alberta mga katrops. Yan. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa aming munting vlog, please don't forget to like and subscribe. At nandito na lang siguro yung munting vlog natin sa bus station. See you to the next one. Stay tuned and rock and roll. Peace out.